All right, guys, so you want to hear the whole story. You've obviously came to YouTube, so let me tell you. I've been wanting a headliner roof thing for quite a while. It's very popular, you know, and they're expensive. So I reached out to see how much it'd run, and I'm running like $650 at the minimum to up to $1,000 for a custom headliner. I can't do that right now. So what I did was I looked on Marketplace and I found a guy who had a 3-door truck just like mine. He was getting rid of this one, and it was a little bit browner. I already put 1 can of black paint on the suede, but it will hold 4 6.5s, and it's supposed to hold 2 tweeters, but I'm gonna end up putting 2 horns in there because I've never seen that, and I kind of think it'd be cool. I got this one for $170. The whole headliner, the whole everything. It's not perfect, nothing of mine is, but that's okay because I think it's gonna sound awesome. Anyway, the headliner, we're right in the middle of doing a coat of paint, and so we're about to start on the next layer and just kind of make it, the brown was beautiful for the guy's truck that I pulled it off of, but for my truck, it being all black, obviously needs a black headliner. I'll be putting, not these, because I'm going to be using black ones, but I'm going to be putting Banginbros thumb covers over each one. So whenever you see the head, well, backwards like that. So I don't think I've seen any horns inside of headliners before, so I'm going to attempt to put in the Neo horn from PRV. It's a very unique little tiny horn, and let's see how it, let me show you how it fits. Well, let's hope it fits. There you are.
It's perfect.
So we'll have the horn in there, and pretty cool, man, pretty cool. Right now, also in the process of working on my Suburban, but we're gonna get the vocals in the truck done first, and then we'll work on that project next. You know, it's very popular. You see them all over. I just thought I'd join the fun and see how I can make mine unique. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments section. And don't forget to use coupon code Banginbros when you're shopping at downforsoundshop.com. Unlock all the best service and selection this industry has to offer. My boy JP got it on lock. You already know, baby. So whenever you're putting speakers inside of a headliner, why would you want something that's way heavy? I got the solution for that. The Down for Sound MRN65 mid-range Neo 6.5. They also are available in 8s. And that's what I chose to put in. Look how small that thing is, man. A little tiny boy. And that thing will just drop right up in here and not overweigh my headliner to where we have some snaps or some droops, or it falls down a week after. I think this is the smarter way to go. One of the more popular speakers are like the Def Bonds, but a lot of times I see them, they're the ferrite magnet, not the Neo magnet. So then you have a much heavier headliner to deal with. And this is just, to me, the way to go. Not a whole lot of depth to worry about. It will just drop right in, and it's gonna sound amazing. Let's get to it. So there you have it. My friend Corey came over and he helped me with putting it back on. It definitely is a 2-man job. A 1-man can probably do it, but hell, I don't want to find that out. We added the thumb covers from Custom Speaker Pods, and the outsides have the Bro Flakes, the insides have the brushed metal black double Bs, and then of course we still have the horns from PRV. It sounds amazing. YouTube has such strict copyright standards that I'm not even going to attempt to play a song for you. Ruin the freaking video, but it is awesome. Super proud of it, and all on a budget. Remember the headliner I bought for $170? I put about 40 bucks in headliner paint, fabric paint. I should have added 1 more can, but it's whatever. And yeah, the speakers were from Down for Sound. I forget exactly how much those are a piece because I also bought the MRNs at the exact same time. But I bought 8 mids at one time, so I forget the prices crossed out. But I will put a link in the description if you are interested in the MRN 658s from Down for Sound. All 6.5s, fit like a glove, sound amazing, and it really didn't weigh the headliner up much, but I think it was an added maybe 6 pounds with all the speakers. Yeah, not bad. The mids are ran off of one channel of the JP234, and the horns are wired together on the channel of the Stetson Bravo 400x4, as well as the front tweets are wired in to that same other channel so that it can jam all together. That is 20 speakers. That's 10 from here back and 10 from here forward. Gotta love that, man. Check over on Instagram and I'll post some more of it. But yeah, a TikTok. Yeah, pretty sweet. Also added a little third brake light right here because the truck has a shaved third brake light, and I do get a little bit of heat for that. But can't really tell, and I still have a good line of visibility. One of the reasons why I didn't mind going the 6.5s is so that I still have some of that back window visibility, because I do drive the truck daily. Some of the other headliner racks are they have 8s, and they're amazing. Believe me, they're amazing. But I'm not that good of a driver, and I don't want to handicap myself on the way to getting handicapped. You know what I'm saying? I'm just joking. But if you have any questions, drop it down into the comments here on YouTube, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks, guys, for watching.